Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole and I've been focused on a meal prep series focused on healthy eating, right? And all about making sure we have healthy food to eat every day. We meal prep it so that there's no excuses. During the week, we always have something good to eat. And for people who want to lose weight like me, we can adjust the portion sizes and make sure we hit our calorie and macro goals. So if you're new, I am trying to lose 20 pounds in this 10-week series. So I'll give an update at the end of this video how I did after week 3. So cross your fingers for me. This week's menu is going to be super light and it's really good. And the beauty of it, not only is it a light menu and really yummy, it's going to be easy to meal prep. It'll probably be our easiest meal prep so far. So it'll be a smoothie for breakfast. It'll be a mid-morning snack. It'll be spicy tacos for lunch. It'll be a mid-afternoon snack. And then for dinner, it's going to be a chicken salad, and so good. So join me, and don't forget to wait till the end to see the update on how I did after week 3, and let's get cooking. For this week's menu, we'll have a smoothie in the morning, followed by coffee or tea. 10 a.m.-ish, we'll have some celery and peanut butter for a snack. For lunch, we'll have spicy chicken tacos with either lettuce cups or corn tortillas. At 3 o'clock, we'll have a snack of some nuts and cheese. And for dinner, we'll have a chicken salad with all the fixings. Okay, I preheated the Ninja to 400 degrees. I set it to 20 minutes, though it won't take that long. I coated it with avocado oil. I always use avocado oil when I use the Ninja, and some salt and pepper. We'll put them in, cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes, flip it, and then put it for another, say, 5 to 6 minutes, but checking the temperature to make sure it gets to 165 degrees before you pull it out. The chicken turned out really good. It's nice and juicy. I let it rest and then I slice it up and I put it in a container. I like to keep 4 days worth in the refrigerator, and then I freeze 3 days and take it out later in the week so that it's nice and fresh. I don't like to leave 7 days worth of food in the refrigerator. To prepare the chicken for tacos, I take a spicy chicken seasoning packet and I put it in some warm water, mix it up, and then I coat the chicken fully, and then I place it into the Ninja, cooking it the same way I did the first batch of chicken on 400, flipping midway and making sure it gets to 165 degrees Fahrenheit before I pull it out. Okay, this week we have some easy veggie prep. I go ahead and wash all the veggies that need to be washed and then slice them up and put them into their containers so we're ready for the week. Hi, so I hope the meal prep went easy for you. It went easy for me. It was quick and it was not too messy, so my kitchen wasn't too much of a disaster, which was nice. So as far as my weight loss after week 3, I lost another 2.4 pounds. So excited. I'm super stoked. I know that was week 3. I'm concerned that my momentum may slow down a little bit, so I'll make sure and kick up my activity, and I'm gonna do this. I wanna get that 20 pounds by the end of the series. So anyhow, super excited. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye, have a great week.